Magandang araw kabayan, blessed Sunday! Hey! So by now, andito tayo sa Club Laia Beach Club. Ito yung hotel ng Landco. This is operated and managed by Landco. Ang maganda doon to create need, no? To create foot traffic para dito sa Club Laia Beach Town. So tour kita kabayan. So una-una, yun, nakikita mo yun, Club Barbosas, and that is one beachfront hotel, restaurant. So, nagsiserve sila ng mga ribs, burgers, fries. Pero ang best dyan yung barbecue ribs nila, baby back ribs. And of course, ito yung bonfire. Ito, pwedeng mag-bonfire. Tapos meron siyang fingerprint installation, art installation. And behind me, of course, the Laia White Beach. Almost 500 meters yung White Beach in length, no, ng frontage nitong Club Laia Beach Town. So yan, nakikita nyo na may nag-jet ski. So tamang-tama. So again, pakita ko naman sa in other accommodations dito sa Club Laia. Kabayan, yan. So, ang tagline kasi ng Millennial Resorts na gira ng Landco is unconventional experiences. Ito yung isang experience, yung Cocoon. So, you will notice it's just a drain pipe sewage, no? So, convert nila to a wonderful experience. So, maraming nagsasabi ang ganda dyan. Okay? So, tour kita. Punta naman tayo mamaya sa clubhouse mismo. Yan kabayan, nakita yung clubhouse. Okay, so dyan naman unlocated yung Filipino cuisine, The Sands. So tamang-tama, no? So you're dining. Of course, we want to highlight yung $1 million view natin, yung bay, Sigayan Bay, no? So andyan yung part ito ng VIP, Verde Island Passage, which is the center of the marine biodiversity in the world. So highlight natin. Of course, nakita nyo na yan, so under construction, yun yung Spinnaker mo kabayan. Congratulations! So by now, nasa 6th floor na siya yung amenity area. And of course, ito yung infinity pool. So talaga naman yung guests na i-enjoy na nila yung the glimpse of the beach towns. In the next 5 to 10 years, imagine yung beach town. Sabi ko nga, it's a BGC plus Boracay. It's a master planned beach town. Yun ang kagandahan dito. Again, congratulations kabayan. Happy Sunday and hey! Salamat! Shoutout kay Princess kabayan ha. Siya yung nagsushoot nito.